Here I am, I just got done with my custom roof rack build on my Honda, the Battle Honda. What I wanted to do is carry large sheets of plywood from time to time, or just a bathtub or washer or dryer, or where the fuck, I guess. I have no idea. So it unfolds. I'm just testing it out the strength, um, giving a little sturdy test there. And then the overhang part, I wasn't really trying to stand on it, but yeah, it's pretty strong. Looks like it's gonna be fine. And then when you're done with it, you can just, take it apart and put it away. There you go. Cool.